Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize SugarCRM to integrate with Zendesk tickets, full guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your SugarCRM account. Navigate to the Administrator section. In the Administrator panel, look for the OAuth keys option. Click on OAuth keys to open the management page. Here, you will create a new key for integration. Click the Create button to initiate the process. Fill in the required fields such as key name, consumer key, and consumer secret. Ensure that the redirect URL matches the one provided by Zendesk. Once all fields are filled out, save your changes. Next, log in to your Zendesk account. Go to the Admin panel by clicking on the gear icon. In the Admin panel, find the Apps section. Select Build to create a new app integration. Click on Add App to start the setup. In the app setup form, enter the required details like the app name and description. Locate the section for OAuth settings. Enter the client ID and client secret from the SugarCRM OAuth keys you created earlier. In the redirect URL field, input the URL from your SugarCRM OAuth keys. Save your app settings in Zendesk. Return to your SugarCRM account and navigate to the user settings. Ensure that the user you will use for integration has the necessary permissions. Now, go back to the Zendesk app you just created. Test the integration by creating a new ticket in Zendesk. Check if the ticket appears in SugarCRM. If the integration is successful, confirm the synchronization between both platforms. Should you encounter any issues, review the OAuth settings in both SugarCRM and Zendesk. Adjust permissions or settings as needed for successful integration. Congratulations, you have now authorized SugarCRM to integrate with Zendesk tickets. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.